hotspot. In the hotspot, follow the line and run. Run. Yes. Let's run. Yes, subscribe to Beat Squishy AA. There we are in this. This is the spawn. Subscribe to Squishy AA. It is the villagers on. Why does so many villagers live here? There's a house in the faraway place. There's a house in a faraway place, but why does villagers love this place? And there's a zombo. It will take 2 minutes to rotate to go to the one. Oh, ouch, ouch. Ouch, my shoulder. Ouch, my arm hurts, haha. Oh, we overpassed? We're there. Why are we there? DI. Yeah. Oh no. Don't. There are two. No. Oh my god, 400 blocks. Oh my god, why did I get there? DI. Why am I there? DI. I just teleport there. And I'm still running to the intro. The intro is running to the it is it. Huh? I'm trapped. Oh, never mind. I can fly in creative mode. Huh? Still a long way to go. Huh? I can see it. Yes, I can see it. There are 2 doors. I can see it. Yes. Let's go. Oh my god, I'm gonna sleep. The intro is done now. Oh my god, so many villagers are sleeping. Oh yes. Oh no, I think we don't. Oh my god. Oh. Let's make the stairs of the 2nd floor outside because it's... Yes, it is it. But is there stairs? No, there's no stairs in my inventory. Oh my god. It's so simple to play with this, but why is it hard? I always displace blocks when I play like this. I always displace blocks. Oh my god, there are bumps. Let's make the 2nd floor now. It's enough. The floors are enough. And I'm gonna make the roof. Oh my god. I play Minecraft. And so many popular YouTubers play Minecraft because it's very fun to build, and Roblox is not fun. It's just their own houses, but they're cool. And you will make your own Roblox house. Yes, right? Yeah. That's why Roblox is boring. Minecraft 1.19 of it, but is there a 1.20, 1.2? Is there a 1.2 update na? It's still on 2023? I guess. I joined Minecraft in December 2020 so that I played Minecraft in December's. I always break blocks and accidentally just click it, man. Why, man? It's so bad. I'm the best in 2022 in Minecraft because I built the most famous landmark I made. It's Sky 233, right? Yeah, I built it on my tablet and it look popular. It's famous. So I'm gonna put beds now. The walls are done. The walls are done. So I'm gonna put a chair here. 4-meter chair or a television. Oh. I'll just make the TV like this because it's so cool to look. It's a neon house of wonder. It's good. It's good. I'm gonna make it. Yes, yes, no. It won't fall. Snow won't fall. Of frog light. If you place a frog there, some of these tanks. When you get to see a frog change color because of a frog light, what if the frog light go into the house? It will change colors. Let me show you. Huh? I threw the thing. No, the stairs. Yes, it's the stairs. I hate removing blocks. Frog. The frog is... Oh my god. Huh? It didn't actually work. How to change a frog's color, man? Frog light? But it didn't change the color. I think it's gonna work. How? Yes, a frog in the house. Stop! I blocked the entrance. I hate it. This control is so bad at this. I'm so bad at this control. I haven't even tried it. I haven't even tried it. When I was 6, I haven't even tried it. So, when I was practicing Minecraft, I became extremely cool builder. The Sky 200 by the Sky 233 is the best. But how to change a frog's color? I saw you can change it, but it didn't work to me. It can only not change colors, only it. It's 10 minutes because I'm so slow to build like this. So I'm gonna finish the roof while no do crosshair. Done. The roof is this. How to change? Oh yes, A K O. Touch is better and easy. What is touch for? Oh, huh? Touch is like this. I don't want. Touch classic. Oh my god. Oh, classic is like this. I'm gonna go. Not to run. I run so hard. I was working hard with this building. So hard of work of 20 minutes to build the house and slower build. Subscribe to Beat Squishy. Hey, subscribe to Beat Squishy. We are going to sleep in this house. I'm still watching television in the couch. Then you see, it's cool. It's cool. The villagers are talking, but no, they're only used in Java. I saw it in 1.18 Java. But I'm gonna sleep when it's full dark. Oh, it's full dark. Now sleep. Guys, subscribe to Beat Squishy AA. Where am I? I'm suffocated. Huh. Don't. Subscribe to Beat Squishy AA.